Introducing the next generation polishing system that will cut your project time in half. The Diamond Devil Polishing System by Malish. Quickly and effortlessly refinish your concrete or terrazzo floors with results that will leave you in awe. Eliminating multiple steps, the Diamond Devil Polishing System can reach the standard polish levels in as little as 3 steps. Grind. Prep your floors with an even open finish. Hone. Set the floor at a honed finish and ready for the polish. Polish. Taking your floors to industry standard, a level that is satisfactory with a satin finish. If you dare to go a step beyond, the shine tool will deliver an unmatched gloss level reading, bringing out a shine in the floor that will leave you checking your reflection. No, it's not wet. No, there's no sealer. This chemical-free patent pending system will take your floor's gloss level to new heights. The Diamond Devil Polishing System by Malish. Fast, fierce, effective.